What's going on, guys? Charlie here. Welcome to the channel and yet another video. Now, you guys might know me as the coffee guy. Normally that would be true, but today we're branching out. We're doing something a little different. Today we're making a cocktail. We're making the Negroni. Check this out. Okay, so the Negroni, it is an aperitif. It is an alcoholic beverage that is served before dinner to help stimulate and open up the appetite. So fun fact, aperitif, it is a French word derived from Latin, loosely translates to open, so to open or stimulate the appetite. So this one's pretty easy, guys. Few things that we're gonna need. First, we're gonna start off with a short glass filled with ice and an orange slice. A couple of ingredients from there: 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and 1 ounce of Campari. Okay, so in your glass with ice, with an orange slice, again, 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and 1 ounce of Campari. And voila, the Negroni, a sophisticated aperitif. So give it a try. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. That's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the notification bell for future videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and the Negroni. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.